Guys, I just broke my Easter themed Rubik's Cube. Don't tell anyone. Well, okay, it happens. One of those twist corner ones, and yeah, it's all broken. Now I have to hide it in a secret place where my mom or my grandma or my mom can't find it because they're going to yell at me. But yeah, I'm going to see if I can put it back together. Be right back. So yeah, guys, I'm going to go get a plastic baggie. It's a block baggie. Be right back. So yeah, guys, I got a Ziploc baggie. I'm gonna open it up with one hand. Maybe should better do it with two. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So let's put all of these in the plastic baggie. Or the Ziploc baggie. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. So yeah, guys, I know a secret place to put it. Yeah, there they go. Put it in there. Put that there. So yeah, guys, that includes the video of me breaking my Easter-themed Rubik's Cube. Hopefully the Easter Bunny gets me another one this year. Hopefully they still have them. Yeah. Subscribe to my videos, like and comment, share for more people and that might like it. So yeah, see you in the next one, guys.